How to make a pickaxe in Minecraft. So first you will need 3 bits of wood. So just go to a tree. We're gonna make this come survival mode first. So go to a tree and just destroy 3 bits of wood. Now once you have your wood, just open up your inventory, then place the 3 pieces of wood right there. So only put it on one slot to get the oak planks. And just simply click on it to get the oak planks. And once you have your oak planks, just simply place it on this one. So 4 oak planks to get your crafting table. Now get your crafting table just like that. Once that's done, just place the crafting table on the ground. Now get your oak planks and place it on this position to get some sticks just like that. And what you want to do is just open up your crafting table again and place 2 sticks here on the middle at the bottom. And now place the type of pickaxe or type of material of pickaxe I want. So if you want to create a wooden pickaxe, you will need planks, as you can see, to make a wooden pickaxe and 2 sticks. Well, let's say you want some diamond pickaxe. So basically you will need some diamonds. So 3 bits of diamonds. Put on the crafting table and place it on the top. Then place these 2 sticks right there. Now as you can see, you will now get your diamond pickaxe, and that's how I basically make a pickaxe in Minecraft.